younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice. Always try to see the best in people, he would say. As a consequence, I'm inclined to reserve all judgment. But even I have a limit. Back then, all of us drank too much. The more in tune with the times we were, the more we drank. And none of us contributed anything new. When I came back from New York, I was disgusted. Disgusted with everyone and everything. Only one man was exempt from my disgust. There was a boy, Gatsby, a very strange, enchanting boy. They say he wandered very far, over lands and seas. He was the single most hopeful person I'd ever met. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he.
The Moulin Rouge, a nightclub, a dance hall, and a bordello, ruled over by Harold Zinn. A kingdom of nighttime pleasures where the rich came to play with the young and beautiful creatures of the underworld. The most beautiful of these was the woman I loved, Satine. A courtesan, she sold her love to men. They called her the sparkling diamond, and she was the star of the Moulin Rouge.
And one day,
This is a story about love.
he came my way.
The woman I love is... The woman I love is... dead.
In return.